In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste tables from Gemini to Microsoft Word. If you've created a table in Gemini and want to move it into Microsoft Word while keeping the formatting clean and organized, this tutorial will show you how to do it using a simple tool. This can be helpful when you have information arranged in a table and want to use that content in a Word document without having to recreate the table manually. To begin, open Gemini and locate the table that you want to use in your Microsoft Word document. Once you've found the table, select and copy it. You can do this by highlighting the table content and using the copy option. Make sure that you've selected the table you want to transfer before continuing. After copying the table from Gemini, open your web browser and go to bibsit.com. This website provides a tool called Massive Mark that can be used to process the copied table and prepare it for use in Microsoft Word. Once you're on the website, locate and open the Massive Mark tool. You'll see an area where you can enter or paste your table. Paste the table that you copied from Gemini into the appropriate area of the tool. Make sure the table content appears correctly after pasting it. This allows the tool to recognize the table and prepare it for the next step. After you've pasted the table, select the Insert option. The tool will process the content and prepare the table so it can be transferred into a Word document with its formatting preserved. Next, select the Download option. A set of available formats will appear, allowing you to choose how you want to save the processed table. From the available options, select the Word format. This will prepare the table specifically for use in Microsoft Word. Once the process is complete, you'll have a Word document containing the table from Gemini with its formatting properly arranged. You can then open the document in Microsoft Word and continue working with the table as needed. This method can save time when you're working with tables created by Gemini because you don't have to manually rebuild the rows, columns, and formatting inside Word. Instead, you can copy the table, paste it into the tool, select the appropriate options, and have it prepared for Word. Just remember that the main process is to copy your table from Gemini, open the Massive Mark tool at bibsit.com, paste the table, select Insert, choose Download, and then select the Word format. And that's how you can copy and paste tables from Gemini to Microsoft Word while keeping the table clean and properly formatted. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, and subscribe to the channel.